Well, here are the baby birds. They are approximately 4 weeks old now. And as you can see, they're just growing by leaps and bounds. And here is Papa. He says, "What are you doing around my babies?" And here is Mama. She's eating so that she can feed those babies some more because they're eating quite a lot now. Hello. Of course, the big one was born maybe 3 or 4 days before the other two. And that just shows what happens in 3 or 4 days. And here's Papa trying to bite me. And I'm trying to get a picture of the babies. We have a terrible time here. Hello. Okay.